Bauda Polytechnic College, Bauda Nagar, Bendalikot, near Kulasegaram, Kanyakumari District, Tamil Nadu. Approved by AICTE and affiliated to DOT. Admission going on for the academic year 2016-2017. Courses offered: Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, and Diploma in Computer Engineering. 3 years diploma qualification, 10th pass. 2 years diploma qualification plus 2 pass or 2 years ITI, 100% pass. Or salient features: special classes for weak students, scholarship for meritorious students, nominal fee and concession for needy students, excellent playground, well-equipped library and English communication lab, excellent infrastructure, laboratories and workshops, committed and experienced staffs, placement assistance, bus and hostel facilities available for both boys and girls. We provide bus services from Trivandrum also. ISO 9001-2008 certified institution. Further details and application: Bauda Polytechnic College, Bauda Nagar, Kapivilai, Kulasegaram, Kanyakumari District. Phone 04651-280233 and 212163. Mobile 96779-27424. Email baudapolytechnic@gmail.com. Managing Director Dr. C. Jocelyn Thambi, MA MPhil D. Hon. Mrs. Prabhala J. Ross, MA M.Ed PDGTE. Principal Engineer J. Fernandez, ME MIE. Head Office 858 East Pondy Road, Viluppuram. Phone 04146-240683 and 243861. Email baudavpm@yahoo.com. Our website www.bauda.org.